everyone, it's really nice to see you all today. And as usual, let's start our lesson with writing the date. Do you know the date today? Today is Monday, the 6th of April. That's right, today we have a new month, April. April was spelled April. The 6th of April 2020. Now let's write the season. It is spring, it is sunny and cool. That's wonderful. Pause the video and make sure that you write the date correctly. Today we're going to talk about days of the week. Do you know all the days of the week? Let's name them all. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Let's see what Cookie the Cook is asking. He's asking, what is the first day of the week? Do you know the first day of the week? That's right. The first day of the week is Monday. Write the sentence in your notebook. Don't forget to pause the video. Now, Cookie the Cook is asking, what do you do on Monday? Let's look at Peter the Pilot and answer this question. On Monday, that's right, go to school. What about you? What do you do on Monday? Write the sentence in your notebook. On Monday, and write what you do on Monday. Did you write it? That's great. Let's go to the next slide. Now, Peter the Pilot is asking, what is the second day of the week? Do you know the second day of the week? That's right. Mr. Barista is answering. The second day of the week is Tuesday. That's right. Pause the video and write the sentence in your notebook. Did you write it? That's wonderful. Mr. Barista is asking, what do you do on Tuesday? Let's look at Peter the Pilot. What does he do on Tuesday? On Tuesday, he says, I play football. Do you like playing football on Tuesday? Let's see. What do you do on Tuesday? Write the sentence in your notebook. On Tuesday, and write what you do on Tuesday. Pause the video and write the sentence. Did you do that? That's wonderful. Cookie the Cook is asking, what is the third day of the week? Do you know the third day? That's great. The third day of the week is Wednesday. Wednesday. Let's try to spell the word Wednesday all together. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Let's see what Mr. Barista is asking. He's asking, what do you do on Wednesday? Let's look at Cookie the Cook and try to finish the sentence. On Wednesday, that's right, read the books. Write in your notebook, what do you do on Wednesday? On Wednesday, pause the video and write what you do on Wednesday. Did you write it? That's great. Alright, let's see what Cookie the Cook is asking again. Let's read it together. What is the fourth day of the week? The fourth day of the week is Thursday. Let's spell it together. Thursday. 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 Write the sentence in your notebook. The fourth day of the week is Thursday. Let's see what Cookie the Cook is asking. What do you do on Thursday? Look at the picture. What do you think Peter the Pilot does on Thursday? On Thursday, I play the piano. What about you? What do you do on Thursday? Write the sentence in your notebook. On Thursday, and write it down. Pause the video and write the sentence. What is the fifth day of the week? Do you know it? It's one of my favorite days of the week. The fifth day of the week is Friday. That's right. Pause the video and write the sentence in your notebook. The fifth day of the week is Friday. Cookie the Cook is asking, let's read it together. What do you do on Friday? Oh, look at Mr. Barista. What do you think he's doing? On Friday, I do taekwondo. What about you? Do you do taekwondo? Write the sentence in your notebook. On Friday, and write what you're doing on Friday. Let's go to the next slide. Oh, look at this. Do you know who that is? That's right. That's Miss Clara. And Miss Clara is asking, what is the sixth day of the week? And who do you think is going to answer this question? Look at her. Does she remind you someone? That's right, this is Miss Julia. And Miss Julia is saying that the sixth day of the week is Saturday. Let's write the sentence in your notebook. The sixth day of the week is Saturday. Pause the video and write the sentence. Did you do that? That's great. And now there's someone missing. Who is missing? Let's look. That's right, this is Mr. David. And he's asking, what do you do on Saturday? Let's look at Miss Julia. What do you think she's doing? That's right. On Saturday, I play with my dog. What about you? What do you do on Saturday? Write the sentence in your notebook. Don't forget to pause the video. On Saturday, and write the sentence. And now, Miss Julia is asking, what is the last day of the week? The last day of the week is Sunday. Mr. David loves Sundays. What do you do on Sunday? Miss Clara is asking. Let's look at the picture. What do you think Mr. David is doing? That's right. On Sunday, I run in the park. That's great. What about you? What do you do on Sunday? Write the sentence in your notebook. On Sunday, and continue the sentence. Did you do that? That's great. Now, the most difficult task ever. Are you ready for it? Let's start. Let's imagine that today is Monday. What about yesterday? Yesterday, вчера. Do you know what was the day yesterday? That's right. Yesterday it was Sunday. What about tomorrow? Завтра. What is the day tomorrow? Tomorrow it will be Tuesday. Now let's try with Thursday. If it is Thursday today, what was the day yesterday? Do you know the day? That's right. Yesterday it was Wednesday. What about tomorrow? What is the day going to be tomorrow? Tomorrow it's going to be Friday. That's right. And the very last question for you. If it is Saturday today, Saturday, what was the day yesterday? That's right. Yesterday it was Friday. What day is it tomorrow? Tomorrow. Tomorrow it will be Sunday. That's great. It was a really nice work. I will be happy to see your pictures of your work if you will send it to your teacher. Alright, that's all for today. Bye! Bye!